Welcome to Aqua Regia, the royal water of chemistry, brought to you by CHEMCA, where chemistry is made easy. Aqua Regia, meaning quote royal water, is a highly corrosive, fuming yellow-orange mixture. It's unique in its ability to dissolve noble metals, like gold and platinum, making it vital in analytical chemistry and metallurgy. Aqua Regia is composed of 3 parts concentrated hydrochloric acid and 1 part concentrated nitric acid. For example, to make 100 milliliters, you would slowly mix 75 milliliters of HCl with 25 milliliters of hydrogen nitrate in a fume hood. The chemical reaction within Aqua Regia is hydrogen nitrate plus 3 HCl right pointing arrow, NOCl plus Cl2 plus 2 H2O. The products, nitrosyl chloride and chlorine gas, are powerful oxidizing agents responsible for dissolving noble metals. When dissolving gold, nitric acid oxidizes the gold to Au-cubed ions. Hydrochloric acid then provides chloride ions, which combine to form HAUCl4, as shown by the reaction. O plus 3 hydrogen nitrate plus 4 HCl right pointing arrow, HAUCl4, plus 3 nitrogen dioxide plus 3 H2O. Aqua Regia typically ranges in color from yellow to orange-red and has a pungent, chlorine-like odor. It is extremely corrosive, highly acidic with a pH near 0, and unstable, decomposing within hours. When handling Aqua Regia, always prepare it fresh and use it in a fume hood. Wear gloves, goggles, and a lab coat. Never store it in sealed containers. And always add nitric acid to hydrochloric acid, not the reverse. Aqua Regia finds use in dissolving gold, platinum, and palladium. It's crucial for analytical sample preparation, cleaning lab glassware, and gold refining. Historically, it was even used to protect noble metals during World War II. Aqua Regia decomposes into 2NO and Cl2, releasing yellow fumes. A fun fact, George de Hevesy famously dissolved noble metals in Aqua Regia to protect them from the Nazis during World War II. To summarize, Aqua Regia, or royal water, is a yellow-orange mixture of 3 parts HCl and 1 part hydrogen nitrate. It dissolves gold and platinum through the action of Cl2 and NOCl, forming HAUCl4 with gold, and is used in cleaning, refining, and analytical chemistry. In conclusion, Aqua Regia is a powerful reagent capable of dissolving noble metals. It stands as a classic example of chemical synergy and historical ingenuity in the world of chemistry.